Solving a functions question is not as bad as everyone makes it look. Trust me, you just need to follow a couple of steps and then everything else will fall into place. Just give me a couple of minutes and I'll prove it to you. You need to first identify the function family that you are working with. Is it a parabolic function? Is it a hyperbola? Is it an exponential? Or is it a cubic function? And once you have identified the function family, then it becomes easy to know which features to expect. Are you going to expect the asymptotes, turning points, or the points of inflection? Let's take an example of a parabolic function and see how we can apply those. You would remember that any function that takes the form of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, that's a parabolic function, or the quadratic function. Now, what is a prominent feature that you get in the parabolic function or the quadratic function? We know that's the turning point. Now, how do we then find the turning point? There are two ways that you can find the turning point of a parabolic function. The first one is the easiest when you have the turning point form of the quadratic function, which is y is equal to a times x minus p, all that squared plus q. In this case, the TP, or the coordinates of the turning point, would be given by the P value over there is the X value, while the Q value over there would be the Y value. However, if you have the standard form of the quadratic function, what you need to do is first find the X value of the turning point and take that X value and plug it back into the equation. So to find the X value of the turning point, you need to use this equation. X is equal to minus b over 2a. And once you find this value of x, you take it back into the equation and find the value of y. Now, let's take an example to see how we can apply this. Say we are given the function f of x is equal to minus 2x squared plus 4x plus b. Oh, sorry. This is plus 6. Plus 6. Now, in this case, to find the turning point, as we can see, this is a standard form of the quadratic function or the parabolic function. So what we need to do is use this formula, that x is equal to minus b over 2a. So let's do that. X is equal to minus, now what is the b? The b is the coefficient of x, or the number next to x. That is 4 in this case, over 2 times a. Now, what is a? A is minus 2, or you could simply remember it as the number next to x squared, or the coefficient of x squared. That is minus 2x, minus 2 in this case. So let's solve this now. This becomes minus 4 over minus 4, which will be 1. Now that we have found the value of x here, what we need to do then is take this back into our equation and plug it back. So let's plug it back to this equation. What do we get? We get that f of 1 is equal to minus 2 times 1, all that squared, plus 4 times 1 plus 6. Now this is going to be equal to, this is 2 over there, all that here gives you a 10, so the total will be 8. So f of 1 is equal to 8. So what does this mean? This means that the turning point coordinate is given by 1, 8. So the x value is 1, while the y value is 8. Now, in the next video, we are going to look at how we can apply the same idea in finding whatever we